Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am bringing you a video today on the brand new for 2026 VIOFO BP100 Dashcam battery pack and the companion EP100 expansion battery. And what I want to show you today is exactly what these things are and how they fit into the market and what you can do with them and why you would choose one or the other, or in this case, why you would choose the BP100 and add the EP100 expansion battery to it. So let's start with the BP100. What is it? Well, BP100 is a dashcam battery pack. It's one of the larger dashcam battery packs that we carry. I'm just going to show you here. This is the physical example of it. These are the inputs and the outputs. You've got your 12-volt input on the side. You've got your output to the external battery, which is the EP100 over here. And then you've got your output to the dash camera or output using the USB Type-C connector. You've got your Bluetooth connection light, your power lights, and then you've got your on-off switch. As you can see, it's not very large as far as dashcam batteries go. It's pretty slim, so you could mount this thing under your seat. You could mount it under the dash. You got a number of different mounting options. This is the box right here that contains all the wiring, and you can see essentially a picture of the battery on and off. There's not much I can really demonstrate in terms of how it works. I can go through the specifications though. As you can see, the model number is BP100. The capacity, which is the most important, it's a 12.8 volt battery, 7,650 milliamp hours, 98 watt hours. The battery type is a Life PO4. Operating temperature, it is stable down to minus 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to positive 70 degrees Celsius. And then storage temperature, it can go down to minus 30 degrees Celsius and all the way up to plus 90 degrees Celsius. You can see the dimensions, 171 millimeters in length by 171 millimeters in width and 35 millimeters in height. And the weight is 1.22 kg. So it's essentially a square-shaped battery. And the casing for the expansion pack is identical to the BP100. Why we are excited to have the VIOFO BP100 and EP100 is that VIOFO is one of the top leading brand names of dash cameras on the market. They make some of the best cameras with both the best features, the best resolution, and the best value. So it is more than a good time to have a equally branded VIOFO dashcam battery. So those of you who are using VIOFO cameras, this would be a great solution for you to add a battery to your setup. For those of you who don't know, a dash camera battery is utilized so that you do not drain your vehicle battery when using the dash camera in parking mode. And why, as we move over here to the expansion pack, you would use this would essentially be to increase your power capacity. So this expansion pack battery is the same power cell inside, 7,650 milliamp hours, and it is designed to essentially be stacked on top of the BP100 like that to give you double the capacity. As far as I know, the maximum number that you can put together is 2. I have to double check that though, and I will put the exact number of batteries you can put together in the description below. I will also put a link to both products in the description below so that if you do want to purchase, you can do so through our site, lockdownsecurity.ca. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It gives you an idea of what the size of these batteries are. And if you or someone you know is interested in adding a VIOFO dash camera or VIOFO battery to your vehicle, reach out to us, 1-866-824-4118. You can message us here on YouTube. You can send us an email, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button below, and let us know what other types of videos you'd like us to make. Thanks for watching.